Hello. I'm delirious, but I got a very important package in the mail today from my friends at Valve Software in Washington. These giant boxes right here contain my very own HTC Vive Pre headset and all of the additional peripherals that are required to make the headset work. I don't have a room set up yet for said device, nor do I have a computer yet for said device, because the computer is slightly delayed from Hewlett Packard, and the room is back there somewhere and hasn't been cleaned out yet. So I won't really be using this yet, but I wanted to unbox it because it came today, and I feel like even though I have a sinus infection, it's important to do this. There's a lot of box here, so you're going to get your money's worth with this unboxing. I think we'll save this box for later. Let's start with the box on the bottom. So the box on the bottom has some stuff in it. I'm not sure what is in either of these boxes yet. I have a pretty good idea of what's in both boxes total. While I'm unboxing, I'll explain how I got this. A local to where we live magazine, internet magazine called IGN, had a contest in the middle of January where if you won the contest, you won a chance to go to the Steam VR developer showcase in Seattle. And as part of the prize, you also got an HTC Vive Pre kit, which is what all of this is. So the first day I didn't win the contest, and I was a little sad. But one of the conditions of winning the contest was that you had to claim your prize within 24 hours and fill out some paperwork. And a lot of the winners didn't do that. So I'm really sorry for those people. My wife's giving the thumbs up. But thank you to the 14 or 16 people that didn't claim your prizes, because that allowed me to go to Seattle. So in this box are more boxes.
Okay, I can stop now, right?
No, there's more.
What? There's boxes, the end.
This box says HTC on the front of it. You see that? It says HTC. I'll put that over there. This box here, it also says HTC. Did you notice that? Sort of a resemblance between the two. Okay. That's one box. Now I'll go to this next box over here. So,
Not covering the address good. Really, you can still see the barcode.
So I went to the showcase up in Seattle, and I got to play 13 different games. My favorites were Tilt Brush, which I'd played a couple of times before, but I actually got to thank the creators of Tilt Brush for making an awesome app that I could actually see depth in, because I can't see 3D in 3D movies or those old like the magic picture things that they used to have where you could stare at them.
Nobody could see those, actually.
Okay. Anyway, I got to paint and tilt brush with them, which was awesome. It's one of the highlights for me. And I also got to play a game called Audio Shield that I'm really excited for, which is a rhythm game where you basically just kind of punch the notes as they're coming. It was really cool. That's not coming out for a while though, unfortunately. So in this box, I know you're disappointed, but this box does not say HTC on it. These are the wall and ceiling mounts for the Lighthouses. We'll talk about those in a few minutes. So I also got to play a multiplayer game called Hover Junkers, which is currently on Indiegogo. I got to play Job Simulator, another HTC box. There's a lot of HTC here. Get rid of that box now. I don't need the scissors anymore either. I'm gonna drop things. It's fun. So now we've got kind of a family going here. They all say HTC. So Michelle, which of these three boxes should I open first? The end one? Okay. So this end one, the box is slightly damaged, you'll see. It's got a little tear here. It's saying open me. This one's got a serial number on it. It apparently wants me to open it that way. And now it's got another serial number on it. So we call that another box. This one. Is that a box? Over here. That's a box. Well, wait, there's more.
That's a box.
That's another box.
Box. Wait, I need to film it empty.
That's empty box. So inside this box,
that looks like a power adapter or something boring.
Okay, fine. Inside of this box,
that looks like more interesting. It's probably the power adapter. Ta-da!
These are the Lighthouses. So they have a mount, and you mount them like, I'm not going to put it in there because it's really dusty, but like you kind of put it like right here, and then you put another one all the way over on the other side, and these have lasers that shoot out of them. You can't see them, don't worry. They're not going to hurt you. But they have lasers, and the lasers get picked up by the headset and the controllers. It's pretty mystical stuff. Both of these have a different serial number on them, and like they're carved into them, so like you can't forge it. It's legit. It's made by HTC. They're the manufacturer of the HTC Vive. The HTC Vive is going to be available for pre-order on the 29th of February, from what I understand. So those are the Lighthouses. Hopefully they work. We'll find out tomorrow. I can't even figure out how to open this box. That's weird. It doesn't make any sense. No. No, now you're tearing it. That's hurt. That's gonna hurt it. It's like sealed and stuff. I don't want to do that.
Well, you're gonna have to hurt it. Injure it. Destroy it.
Open this side.
Ah.
And here, this big long thing is a sync cable. So in the event that there's something that could potentially obstruct the view of the two lighthouses from seeing each other, you connect this cable to it and it solves that problem.
This enormous 1/8 inch cable, basically.
Yes. Very enormous.
Chicken stuff.
There's two of them. So for each of the lighthouses, there's a power adapter.
Told you it was power and hella boring. Let's see if I can get there.
It's pretty hot, huh?
No.
Power adapter.
Well, I like this. This is cool.
You like the long 1/8 inch cable.
It's super enormous.
I need to rearrange stuff in the box because I'm not smart.
Why are you reboxing your unboxing?
Because I can't use it tonight. I'm not feeling well.
Years from now, and we're like, why didn't we put it together the first night? You'll remember. The ritual squashing.
It doesn't fit anymore.
That's good enough.
Oh, hold on. This one goes first. There. And this one. As good as new. HTC.
So Eric, I noticed that this big one would not have fit in a backpack.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah. We'll save that one for later.
That one kind of not really fitting in a backpack either.
This is kind of long. So, the reason Michelle brings up putting it into a backpack is because originally the contest conditions said that you took home the HTC Vive Pre. That was kind of a problem for me because I flew to Seattle and then I flew home that night. So all of these boxes, these ones, I didn't have anything to carry them in. This is another box. It says HTC on it. Did you know that HTC is one of China's biggest conglomerate telecommunications companies? This is another box. Oh look, more stickers. I'm gonna move this box over. I'm gonna give this box lots of room. There we go. You'll notice, once again, there's some styrofoam. And if we lift up the styrofoam, you've never seen one of these. This is the new HTC Vive Pre controller. Click the trigger too, it's cool. Oh shit, you turned it on. You did a good thing. You turned it on. See the little blue dot? That means it's on. It's like a ray gun. Yeah? Ray gun? How do I turn it off?
It's a lot of padding for a little...
I don't know how to turn it off. Oh, there it goes. It's turned off.
It's very responsive.
I told it to turn off, and it turned off. That's amazing. So, I have a survey question. How many people use these? Because I don't know anybody that uses these wrist straps. That's all. So there's 2 of those.
There's nothing under that?
Not under it, no.
It's a lot of padding for those that must be sensitive.
They're important.
Oh yeah, I know, but...
No, there's nothing under them. And then this box, so in here, should be some adapters. You'll notice that this is your standard HTC little USB adapter pluggy thing. One of those. And then there's a nice little micro USB plug. And then there's another micro USB plug. And then there's another adapter thing. So those are super exciting, right? Dude, there's nothing else in that box. What are you doing? Why did you doubt me? I did this in order. So, we'll rebox this one. This one's easy to rebox. Just plop it in like that. What's up? So I played some other games too. I played Job Simulator. It was a kitchen demo where you were a gourmet chef. It was pretty cool. I played Final Approach where you led some airplanes and fought some fires and caught some criminals and lots of other fun stuff. I played Elite Dangerous, which is a space exploration game, except it's really realistic, and I don't know how to fly a spaceship very well. I played Fantastic Contraption, where you make these balloon apparatus to get a little ball-shaped thing into a goal. I played Budget Cuts, which you shoot little like portals to sneak around a company. It's like a spy espionage type game where you have to get past robots using stealth. I played Cloudhead VR mini golf, which was a lot of fun. I'm hoping it comes out soon. I also played one of the same company's other games. It was called A10. Kind of reminded me of like Geometry Wars a bit. It was pretty fun. I played the Gallery Call of the Starseed. I still didn't get very far in the demo, even though I had much longer this time than the first time I played that game. I played some other stuff that I can't think of right now, and I played Space Pirate Trainer, which is a really fun game as well. Oh, this box, like I said before, it's just some wall and ceiling mounts. They look like these on the cover. It's taped shut. I don't really feel like opening it right now. And then we have one more box.
Hug it. Good night.
It's not very pillowy. It's actually kind of, it feels like a cardboard box. So this box, you'll notice it says HTC on it. This particular box should contain...
Well, don't spoil it. Just open it.
some other things similar to these things. I don't know, like, from a foam perspective, like, where they get all this foam. But it's all, like, really nice, fancy foam.
Made from dead dinosaurs.
Oh, nice. Well, that's where they get it from. So I lift up the foam, and inside...
So exciting. It's another box.
There's a little breakout box. On this side it says 2VR. You got the HDMI.
What does that do?
It's an HDMI. You plug an HDMI cable into it.
And then what?
And then this one's USB. And I think that's a power. Yeah, power.
Well, what does it do?
And on this side, 2 PC.
Oh, okay.
HDMI or mini DisplayPort and USB. And it's got power again. I don't know why it's got 2 powers. Does it need 2 powers? Maybe. Okay.
Wasn't one for...
And then...
Don't be lifting stuff.
Oh, hold on. We'll replay that part.
Okay, go ahead.
Ready?
Yeah. And then...
Take 2.
And then
there's this box here. This box has a squishy face thing. Huh. A microfiber. A sticky thing so that you can mount this somewhere and not have it fall away. You'll notice that the sticky thing fits precisely over this. Right there. I think this is actually like 2-sided tape with Velcro. It's pretty nice. Pretty good quality. And then this is a USB extender cable. Don't actually need that, but it's nice that they kept it in the box. If I wanted to, I could use this little cable here to connect my Leap Motion, which has new software today. I think it's called Orion. I could use that with my Vive. This right here, this is the power cable for the Breakout box. I noticed there's only one of those, so I don't know why there's 2 plugs on the box for that. We'll check that later. This is an HDMI cable. that goes to the PC.
It's really short. It's not
Yes.
gold-plated.
It is really short.
It's seriously not gold-plated.
It's seriously not gold-plated.
Well, we're not going to be able to hook it up. We're going to have to get new HDMI cables.
Why?
Because it's not gold-plated.
So?
It'll get corroded.
Okay. And that's a USB cable that goes to the PC, so...
Well, it's not gold-plated either.
This cable and this cable connect to this side, this side right here of the box. Does that make sense so far? Following? And there's nothing else in that box. What are you doing? Okay, so now we put all this stuff away. Have to be meticulous about putting the stuff away so that we don't lose anything. Because if we lose stuff, we're screwed.
Why didn't you put that in there? Oh, it goes on top.
This goes out here.
It gets its own cubby hole.
Yeah, it's got its own spot. So that's about it. It was nice talking to everybody. Oh yeah, there's something else. So, in the cryogenic freezer inside here, super protected with extremely protective. Why are you poking the extremely protective bag? This is the HTC Vive Pre. It's a virtual reality headset. This is the massive amount of cable that you use with the HTC Vive Pre headset, so that you can walk around while you're playing games with the HTC Vive. I now understand there's this power cable that plugs into the Breakout box from this side, and the other one plugs into the power adapter. There's also a cable here that wasn't on the original Vive, from what I understand. This connects to headphones, if you want to connect your headphones. Now, I'm going to try it on. It's probably not going to fit. It's dark.
Lost your ear. You no longer have ear.
It's really dark. In fact, I could probably play that like donkey game. Pin the tail on a donkey. Yeah, I could do that. Yeah. I'm gonna take this off now.
Oh good, you have ears again.
And the next time you see this, it will be in virtual reality. And now I'm going to put it back away where it belongs. In its dark cave in the cryogenic freezer. Bye, my friend. I'll miss you until we meet again. Be safe in that box. I always do that backwards. Every single time.